Hi, I'm Todd Papaioannou. I'm one of the founders here at Continuuity and currently the CEO.
I'm Jonathan Gray, and I co-founded Continuuity with Todd.
I think we started Continuuity born out of our experiences at places like Facebook and Yahoo, where we saw the future of big data applications and the apps we were trying to build at those places, and saw that there was a need in the market for the type of stuff we were building. So far, all of the big data companies out there really offering infrastructure, and we're pushing the abstraction level up. We want people just to think about applications and not worry about the minutiae in their basement.
An individual developer thinking about standing up Hadoop infrastructure and H-based infrastructure on their own and then developing an application is a non-starter for a lot of developers. So it's not just making existing developers' lives easy, it's enabling a whole new wave of developers to get into the world of big data that today they just can't do.
The Continuuity App Fabric is an application hosting platform. It's specifically centered on hosting big data applications. You can think of it like an application server. And we're actually, pushing the whole big data platform closer to the serving tier to get closer to the end user and the consumer, our customers' customers. And I think that's quite a, different departure from traditional, Hadoop being the batch offline data warehousing platform. Our customers are clearly developers. The people that we think about and target are developers, but we're developers. We still write software. Even I still write software, right? And we think about developers all day. What are they doing day to day? What's their experience? How are they writing software? What tools do they need? What's the user experience? We don't actually, accept the fact that, infrastructure software should be gnarly and gritty and nasty.
And what we're here to say to entrepreneurs is, build your application and we'll take care of the rest.
There's going to be a bunch of entrepreneurs out there who have that great idea. They're sitting in Starbucks on their laptop, and instead of thinking about, oh, how do I go and stand up Hadoop and HBase and Zookeeper, and then I have to worry about, these other things, they're like, oh, build an app, push it to the cloud, scale and deploy. It's just that simple. We recognize there's a tremendous amount of data, behind the firewall at the enterprise. And we know there's a bunch of customers who have already adopted Hadoop. And so where we come in is to say, look, you have a Hadoop cluster, you've got HBase, but you're struggling to actually build and deploy apps and give your developers a standardized platform. No problem. We just come in, we layer over the top, and you can deploy applications onto our platform and free up the innovation and the experimentation in your organization.
Our mission is clear. It's democratizing big data application development. It's enabling developers to actually develop big data applications. We make big data accessible, so if you have a big data idea, we can actually make it possible for you to actually build that application.
Develop your application, deploy your application, scale your application, and then sit back and have a beer because we've got you covered.